this is, look how bad this is. It's not even an official, like, that's bad. That's what I'm saying, like, it could be really bad if you ain't paying attention. Let's go. Yeah, Bear County, baby. Oh, baby. What's going on up here? Clusterfuck. You know, one of the funniest things that I saw, man, was yesterday. My son, he's 8 years old, man. He was at home. Me and the wife went out for a date night. He messaged me. He figured out how to use the voice to text feature. So he just talks and it converts it to text. And he's like, "Dad, is this you?" And he sent me a screenshot of one of my YouTube videos that he was happened, I guess, to pop up when he was watching his shows. And he was starstruck, like, holy crap. I was just like, that's pretty dope. So I thought that was pretty neat. I almost felt like a miniature, I felt like a C Club celebrity. I was like, look, your dad is somewhat YouTube famous. He found me on YouTube. It's great, the cluster. It is what it is. I just don't want to do something too stupid. I wonder if that's a San Antonio police officer. Looks like it. I'm gonna exit up here, I believe. It's coming up. If they didn't, I think they might have shut they might have. I think I was supposed to get over. I didn't time I don't come this way often, so they shut the exit down. Didn't know that. Oh, never mind. It's open. Man, the freaking roads are so rough, bro. Roads are so rough. Talk about headache. Got a female biker today, man. They out here rolling. It's beautiful out today, man. Everybody's rolling, so it's beautiful seeing a beautiful biker chick on such a big bike. She cruising that thing, bro. Like I said, I noticed her way up on the highway. Brother. Cruising. But yeah, man, it's been it's a beautiful day out today, man. Super beautiful day. Hey, you don't see too many of those. Like I said, it's just a beautiful day out. We ain't speeding, ain't being crazy. We just chilling, you know what I'm saying? Thank you for seeing me. It's nice to get out today, though. The Suzuki GSXR just sounds amazing. It sounds insane. rear view camera is starting to fail. It's losing battery. Now, one thing you don't see me doing a lot is lane splitting. I gotta look up the rules. I know that there's no more lane splitting. I don't think it's illegal to lane filter in Texas. Gotta look that up. But I usually don't lane filter, and the reason being is because the obvious reasons, right? But it's dangerous. But it's dangerous. It's dangerous. But yeah, it's nice out today, man. Everybody, I just feel like skating, baby. It's just feel like skating. I think we're gonna go. They're right next to me on the right. He's just braking for no fucking reason. Why is he braking? I have no idea. A lot of traffic for no reason, bro. I'm just ripping today, man. I don't know. Kind of hungry. A little bit. I'm thinking if I should go to Torchy's. I really want tacos though. Not even hungry, I just want to rip. I'm a good boy. I try not to like to filter this stupid shit. You gotta play by the rules, man. I just paid tickets, so I ain't trying to pay another fucking one. I'm trying to pay another ticket at all. No sir. Looks like clusterfuck city. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have came all the way down there. I'm gonna turn around because they are extending all of the construction towards my house, so the construction is just getting worse further down. As you can see further up there's no fucking cluster, so I don't understand what all this shit is right here. I don't get it. Why? I don't understand. It's so stupid. What are you gonna do? Get the fuck off. That's a clusterfuck, bro. Not dealing with that. That's stupid. Alright, so I probably should have bought the X4. I did not. It's a nice little scenic ride today. I just don't feel like getting stuck in that fucking clusterfuck up there, so I'm not even gonna do it. Not even gonna bother. Why are we braking? Why the fuck did they do that? I don't know. They just stopped in the middle of the road, in the middle of a turn. Crazy. Oh my goodness, bro. I turn around to get away from the traffic, and it's back. Going this way. What? Oh, this is fake. This can't be fucking real, bro. That's that joint over there. I gotta check that out. Let's go. Just ripping out here today. Hey, baby. Crazy. All this Armenian mugging, 16 on the scene by the fiend hugging. Dust of the older G's on another thing because it's over me. Woo! Oh shit. That's not good. It's a shitty part of the road. Actually, I don't know. I might not go back down that way. I might stay down 1604. Fuck it. 35 is trash. Be down, niggas! Early grave! Jan! Mama raise a hell raiser. cluster fuckage up here. My fucking head hurts, bro. I don't know why. Can I be your friend? This is how I feel. Just wanna chill. Actually, nah. It is starting to get a little fuckered up right there. Say that, baby, we the patrol. I wish the boys was out today, man. I wish the boys was out today. We gonna just chill. You know, you good brain, like you graduated from a good school. You know, shawty, what it is. That's right. I just wanna chill. Let's dip about a year. Let's dip about a year. Just press the brakes. Press the brakes, pump the brakes a little bit. Pump the brakes. Pump the brakes. Alright. People. Second should be good. Yeah, baby.